YouTube. This is your host Akshay Lotankar, and here we are in the month of December, the month of holidays, the month of endless fun, adventure. So if you recollect, last year almost on the same date we had embarked on a journey and it was unplanned. So it is now. And so if you remember Pranav from my older videos, his bike, and as I promised that there will be surprises from my end, this is my new ride. This is the all new BS6 Himalayan 2022 model. I've just got this baby, I believe 10 days ago, and I have been doing some endless mods on this vehicle, so I'll be making a separate video about all these mods which I've done so far on the bike. Last year, if you recollect, we were 2 persons who went for this journey, and now those 2 people have turned or increased to 4. Now, talking about the itinerary, it is similar to what we did last year. We are still exploring the south of India, but this time we are going one step further. We are going to go to Kerala. The first destination as of now, we have decided that it is going to be Hubli. Let's catch you on the road once we rig all the bikes, once we are on the highway. Let's catch you there.
So hard to fade away.
We have just crossed the Lonavala toll, and so 3 of us have reached. Santosh, he's the 4th rider, Santosh. 3 of us have reached, and we are waiting for Vikrant. We might have some little snacks here, and yeah, a lot to cover. So the distance is going to be of I believe around 700 kilometers, and now we have just covered around first 60 or 70 kilometers. So a long way to go. As you can see, these are the 4 riders. On the right hand side, that's Vikrant on my standard 500. Here on Meteor, you can see Santosh. Pranav is leading the pack, so to say, and he's on his Himalayan. So in short, there are 2 Himalayans, 1 standard 500 and 1 Meteor. So far the weather is blessing us, the roads are blessing us. In between there is some moderate traffic, but which is fine. Otherwise, as you can see, we are easily cruising at 90, 100, 90, 100. So not a big deal. Superb. So far, so very good. So it's 3:10 in the afternoon. I had reached Satara by 2:15. But we went to the wrong location. Finally, we are at a good location. I asked some of the locals there and they suggested me this place. So now starters, after that so-called lunch, and then we're going to leave. So I remember that we are replicating the pattern from our last trip, and towards the end, that was really challenging. So I hope the roads stay like this, how they were, that we are able to cover good distances at good speed and reach to our destination early.
All I'm keeping track of is the weather, and there's no wind, no sun, nothing. 80 days and I'm not feeling better, but a sweet relief is finding me.
6:45 in the evening, and I've just reached Nipani, the next checkpoint in our journey. That is the Veer Cafe, what I've reached, and these people are yet to come. I covered a good 150 kilometers in 2.5 hours, so good average speed. I did not take a break in between. It felt like I was meditating on the bike, which happens very rarely. And I didn't even stop to remove my GoPro and just plug it in my helmet. I was that engrossed, and yeah, so satisfied with this experience. Yeah, I hope these patches come more often in the journey, that I did not care about my colleagues or vlogging. I was just cruising, I was enjoying riding this bike, and what a wonderful piece of machine. Such a simple yet powerful machine on these roads. So far, so very good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So, in short, enough caffeinated to ride for the next 4 hours. From here, Hubli is 170 kilometers where our destination is for today. And we would be taking one more break after around 100 kilometers. And then the last patch of 70 kilometers. Pranav just booked a hotel online for us. In between there was a patch where we had so much of fun. So it's really hard to explain to the non-bikers what kind of fun. Simply just riding a bike means. Europe, I never thought in my life that I would be riding a motorcycle, a super bike in Europe. But definitely in India, I did imagine that I would be riding a motorcycle. So when such raw imaginations change into reality, that's, I think so, where the joy lies. There's no comparison with anyone. If anybody has, a higher cc bike, or if anybody of us is going faster than the other, it's just 4 friends who have decided, a decade ago that yes, all of us would be going on a bike ride on Royal Enfields. One thing I found out with this bike is the sheer simplicity with which you can do, whatever you want with this bike. The magic happens when there are uphills. So when the mountain or hill passes, at that time when you ask for power, the power is there. The way the power and the torque is created by this engine is wow. Is the wow factor of the bike. To top it all is the comfort. The suspension travel, the comfort for the person who's riding the bike, for the rider, I mean, supreme. No complaints, no backaches, no those jhatkas and no jerks. Dinner at a very good place. Unfortunately, I could not vlog there because there were some truck drivers who were coming and checking our bikes, and there were some drunk people. So we were hungry and we were eager to move out of that location somehow. And then while we were seated there, Pranav booked a hotel for us, like 2 rooms. So because we are 4 guys, so 2 guys in each room, etc. Guess the price of the room. The entire room for all the 4 guys is just 1200 rupees. So now think what could be the condition of the room. Just a room tour, kya? So this is our room. Perfect living conditions. And just wait for the surprise now. Yeah, now we are going to check Santosh's and Vikrant's room. All seems to be okay, fine. A Canon Ray Tube TV. Perfect. Yeah. And voila.
So this is basically the room from Delhi Valley. Actually, this was a set from Delhi Valley. The Kathak dancers were dancing on the top floor. Yeah. The thing that they did the patchwork, but again, all the steel and all reinforcement have been exposed.
No, but this is real adventure. All Bukka Nagga adventure. What we are trying to recreate here. I could have shown you the washroom and the toilet, but I don't wish to. It's okay. The best part is this apartment, this beautiful apartment is on the 3rd floor, and the lift of the hotel, as expected, is broken. So we had to carry all the stuff, like 2 panniers, like 2 bags, plus a tank bag, our jackets, our helmets and everything up, and tomorrow we have to take it down again. We still are pretty much fresh. Or Santosh, he is half dead. but I don't think so. He's having a massage for the entire day, riding the standard 500. So that was a deep tissue massage what he had. So he is all fixed, not a problem. For this guy and myself, we enjoyed. Riding a Himalayan is like, you know, being seated on a chariot, and you just have to order the horses. Okay, yeah, go here and there. So it's that simple. So that's how our experience was. What about Meteor? What about Royal Enfield Meteor? How's your experience?
Best bike.
I think I will end the vlog. Obviously, I'm going to end the vlog here because we're going to sleep. And tomorrow, what is the plan? Just a rough idea.
So
Tomorrow, we're going to check out from here.
Yeah. So tomorrow we are going to check out from here and we are going to enter into Sharavati Valley. So Sharavati Valley is the part other side of Western Ghat, not the beach side, but the mountain side from the other place. So we are going to go into Sharavati Valley, and there is a district called Sagar. So where we have I have booked one homestay.
Homestay, yeah.
So it is a beautiful property, 120 years old and all. You will get to see the location and all in your video. So it will be a pretty amazing thing that you will get to see.
Stay tuned for the next 14 days. There's going to be hell lot of adventures and hell lot of such nights. Damn you, stay adventurous. That's the most important aspect of your life. Keep enjoying, keep rocking, and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Yeah? See you next time. Bye.